Welcome to my video, Real Estate Investing Coach, even if you think you can go it alone. Hi, Tom here. I was in the same position as you, and honestly, I thought real estate investing was for people with a lot of money or investing experience. Then, I discovered this investing and education program that completely changed my mind about real estate. It's changed my life. In a moment, I'm going to give you a link to the program and you can check it out for yourself. There are a lot of coaching programs out there. It can actually make your head spin. And they always make claims about their program's ability to make you break new ground as a real estate investor. Nevertheless, is a real estate investing coach worthwhile? With most of these coaching programs charging several $1,000s, it's not smart at all to gamble your time and money away on a deal that may not really work. Well, here are some important and helpful pieces of advice about any real estate investing coaching programs. It's apparent that the key thing in this niche is to avoid the many scams as well as the get-rich-quick pitfalls that exist. So it's critical to establish a coaching program's legitimacy. The polished online reputation and robust media presence of many real estate investing coaches and programs can be easily manufactured by a great PR firm. This will definitely skew your perspective. Important indicators of any program's quality and legitimacy include the program's longevity and also whether the graduates turned out to become successful active real estate investors. It always pays to do your due diligence in the real estate game before getting too excited and jumping in head first. It's also important to consider the affordability of the coaching program and by extension, whether the program's experience, level of investing expertise, and degree of accessibility justify the total cost. Ask yourself the following questions. Will I have actionable knowledge at the end of the coaching sessions? Or will I feel as though I attended seminars where I am left pumped up with enthusiasm, but nothing much to put into action? All in all, doing a thorough comparison of real estate coaches, seminars, instructors, and graduates will always pay dividends. Looking at both the long-term and short-term value of a particular coaching program will help you ensure you don't waste your money and time. In the short term, a good program should position you to be ready to pull the trigger on a good deal when the opportunity arises. On the other hand, the long-term goal should be to be able to build your portfolio far beyond startup status. In the long run, you want a coaching program that will stay with you beyond the initial training. A program that will help with legal, tax, and planning, as well as providing partners to help put deals together. Building a strong and successful real estate investment business will require patience, a lot of support, hard work, and know-how, but it can be very lucrative and offer the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Look out for the next video in the series, Real Estate Investing Benefits. Do they outweigh the risks? To start your real estate investing journey, go now to m-i-c-k.net/MHBJ. If this helped, please give this video a thumbs up. To get notifications and new content, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for instant notification.